Hey, what's going on, guys? So, in today's video, I am going to talk about how to remove my AI on Snapchat. So, this is going to be basic, so let's start. So, first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat from here. And you want to scroll to the side to reveal your chats. Now, if you have my AI, it is going to show up here in your chats. So, basically, what you can do is you can click on the X icon here, and that should take care of you. But if that doesn't work, you can tap on your profile picture here and then go to your settings in here. You can scroll down, and here under account actions you can clear cache. You can also clear your conversation. So if you tap on clear conversation, so this is going to show you a list of people who messaged you in Snapchat. Now your AI will be here if you have one. All you have to do is just tap on the X right beside it, and that should be all good. All right, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.